Hey there and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to design custom icons in Figma from scratch. If you've ever wanted to give your app or presentation a unique touch, or just create fun graphic assets for your next project, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Figma's tools to craft icons that are truly your own, even if you're brand new to icon design, so let's get right to it. First things first, go ahead and open Figma on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can use it right in your web browser or download the desktop app. It's flexible, free for most uses, and a fantastic tool for designers at any level. Once you're in, start a new file so you have a clean workspace. Give it a quick name, maybe something like custom icons, just to stay organized. Now for the fun part, grabbing some shapes and text. Along the top bar, you'll see tools to insert rectangles, circles, lines, polygons. These are your building blocks, almost like Lego pieces for your icon. Try clicking on the rectangle tool, then drag on your canvas to create a square. Add a circle inside the square, maybe overlap them, or try arranging a few different shapes together. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. This is all about playing and experimenting. For example, if you want to design a simple home icon, start with a rectangle for the base and a triangle on top. Position the triangle so it looks like a roof. You can also add text if you want an initial or letter to be part of your icon. Just click on the text tool, type your letter, and adjust the font and size to match your vision. Moving things around, resizing and adjusting the colors at this stage will help you see how your icon is coming to life. And if anything feels off, just undo and try again. This early phase is where happy accidents often lead to cool designs. Let's take things a step further by customizing your shapes. This is where Figma's design magic really happens. Look for the right side panel where you'll find options for effects, stroke, and outline stroke. Applying effects like drop shadows or blurs can add depth to your icon and make it pop. Maybe you want the home icon to feel lifted off the page. Add a subtle drop shadow and instantly it feels more engaging. Stroke lets you adjust the thickness and color of your lines, which helps give your icon definition and personality. Sometimes using outline stroke can convert a basic shape into a more complex editable path. You can then tweak the points to create really unique looks, kind of like bending a wire into different forms. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Changing up these settings will help your icon stand out and give it a professional finish. And remember, icon design is all about clarity and simplicity, so if you find things getting too complicated, it's totally fine to step back and simplify your shapes. Once you're happy with your design, give it a quick review. Shrink it down to the typical icon size. Sometimes details that look great at full size get lost when reduced, so zoom out and check if it's still clear and recognizable. A great icon is easy to understand, even at a tiny size. If you need to, adjust your shapes or strokes so everything stays crisp. And there you have it, your own custom icon made in Figma, ready to use wherever you need it. It really can be that simple. Jump into Figma, grab some shapes and text, tweak your design with effects and strokes, and you're done. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or if you want ideas for more advanced icon design, just leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Happy creating, and I can't wait to see the icons you come up with.